In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points to your Shopify store. Adding bullet points on Shopify is a great way to enhance the presentation and readability of the text on your site. Bullet points can make product descriptions more accessible, breaking down complex information into digestible chunks that are easier for potential customers to process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin panel. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you will see the dashboard. From here, navigate to the Products section. You'll find this option in the left-hand menu, which gives you a list of all the products currently listed on your store. Click on the product that you want to edit to open its detail page. Once on the product detail page, locate the description box. It's in this text editor that you can add and format your content. The product description is crucial because it provides customers with key information they need to know about your product. To add bullet points, first, highlight the text that you want to convert into a list. This could be the features of your product, important specifications, or any information you want to set apart. With your text selected, look at the toolbar above the description box. This toolbar offers various formatting options including text style, alignment, and bullet points. Click on the bullet points icon. It's typically represented by 3 stacked dots or lines followed by smaller indents. Clicking this icon will automatically format the selected text as a bullet point list. If your Shopify theme supports rich text and HTML, you can further customize how these lists appear. You might like to customize the color, size, or even the style of the bullets. This can usually be done by editing the theme's CSS. However, it's important to provide customers with clear, focused information, so ensure your customizations don't make the text harder to read. Now that you've formatted your description with bullet points, scroll down and click the Save button. It's crucial to save your changes to make sure all the work you've done is applied and visible to your customers. You may need to refresh your store page to see the changes in action. Adding bullet points is that simple. Remember, the goal is to make the text easy to read and understand. You want customers to quickly absorb essential information about your products, leading them to make informed purchasing decisions. If you find that a specific list isn't working, go back and tweak it until it suits your needs. And there you have it, a clean, organized product description with concise bullet points. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.